Is this the moment we've all been waiting for? Has Samsung finally created the perfect smartphone? Because what I have in my hands right now might just be the best phone ever made. Yep, I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, a device that doesn't just push boundaries. It annihilates them. This phone isn't just a flagship, it's a powerhouse, a beast, a statement. In this video, we're going to uncover why people are calling the S25 Ultra the best smartphone of all time, what makes its performance absolutely unbelievable, and whether you should invest your hard-earned money in this tech titan. No fluff, no fanboy talk. Just raw performance, cold facts, and a real-world breakdown. Ready? Let's go. From the moment you pick up the S25 Ultra, you know this phone means business. The titanium jet black finish? Stunning. Sleek. Elegant. The feel in hand? Dense, premium, and unapologetically flagship. It's not trying to look like an iPhone. It's not borrowing cues from any other brand. It's pure Samsung innovation through and through. The new edge-to-edge dynamic AMOLED 2X display with almost zero bezel? It wraps around your vision like it's from the future. And that camera bump? Yeah, it's massive, but it's there for a reason. We'll get to that. But right away, this phone screams luxury and power. Let's talk performance. Because this is where the S25 Ultra absolutely smashes the competition. Under the hood? The all-new Snapdragon X Elite for Galaxy, a custom, overclocked beast built for raw speed and AI smarts. And guess what? It's faster than the M3 chip in single-core performance. Yeah. You heard that right. Paired with 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of blazing fast UFS 4.0 storage, this thing isn't just fast, it's scary fast. We ran Geekbench. We ran ThreadMark. We stress-tested it with 20 apps open, ran 8K video rendering, and pushed it with high frame rate gaming. It didn't even flinch. The thermals? Cooler than ever, thanks to Samsung's redesigned vapor chamber cooling. Gaming on Genshin Impact? Ultra settings. No drops. No heat. Just pure buttery smooth FPS. But the performance isn't just about brute force. It's about intelligence. Samsung's new Galaxy AI suite turns the S25 Ultra into a phone that actually thinks. Real-time language translation during phone calls. AI-powered photo and video editing that feels like magic. On-device summarization of documents, PDFs, even full web pages. Voice note transcriptions? Spot on, and they even summarize your meetings. And it's all done on device, meaning your data stays with you. Secure. Private. Fast. The S25 Ultra is not just smart, it's becoming a digital assistant you actually want to use. Let's talk about that 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Samsung always nails the screen, but this one? Next level. 3200 nits peak brightness, insane in direct sunlight. 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate, buttery smooth across the UI. LTPO technology, more efficient than ever. Quad HD plus resolution, sharp, vibrant, and color accurate. Watching HDR content on Netflix or YouTube? It's like having a mini IMAX in your hands. Scrolling through Instagram? Feels like a luxury magazine. Gaming? Cinematic, immersive, zero lag. This might just be the best smartphone display ever made. Period. All that power needs juice, right? Samsung packed a 5500 mAh battery into the S25 Ultra, and combined it with AI-optimized power management that learns your habits and adjusts performance accordingly. In real-world use? We got a solid 8.5 hours of screen-on time on heavy days, including gaming, 4K filming, and social media scrolling. On lighter days? This thing can easily stretch into 2-day territory. And charging? 65 watts wired charging, 0 to 100% in under 40 minutes. 45 watts wireless, fast and efficient. And yes, reverse wireless charging is still here for your earbuds or smartwatch. Battery anxiety? Gone. Let's be honest, the S-series Ultra phones are always known for their cameras. But the S25 Ultra? It's on another level. 200MP main sensor with improved nightography, 3.050MP periscope telephoto with 10x optical, up to 100x AI zoom, ultra-wide 12MP sensor, super HDR selfie camera that shoots better than most vlogging cams in good light. Images are crisp, clean, detailed, with beautiful colors. In low light? Night mode delivers astonishing clarity with almost zero noise. Zoom? Insane. 10x optical is sharp. 30x is very usable. Even 100x? Surprisingly stable and detailed. And the video quality? 8K at 30 fps, 4K at 120 fps, Pro Video Tools, Super Steady Mode, Cinematic Color Grading options. It's not just a smartphone camera. It's a professional content creation machine. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the design. Samsung didn't reinvent the wheel, they refined it to perfection. The titanium frame is not just strong. It's light. Premium. Feels amazing. The matte back doesn't attract fingerprints. It's IP68 rated, waterproof and dustproof. The corners are subtly more rounded, making it easier to grip. And the overall aesthetic? Clean. Bold. Futuristic. It's a phone you're proud to show off. It's a phone that makes every other phone feel. Last gen, let's not forget, the S25 Ultra still includes the legendary S Pen. But this year? It's better. Lower latency, more pressure levels, improved palm rejection, new gestures for productivity and editing for creatives, business users, or anyone who loves precision control. The S Pen is a game changer. Whether you're sketching, signing contracts, or editing videos frame by frame, this is the ultimate tool in your smartphone arsenal. Running on One UI 7.0 based on Android 15, the software experience is refined, smooth, and smart. Samsung has stripped out unnecessary bloat, enhanced animations, and made multitasking even more intuitive. Pop-out app, split screen, Samsung DeX, secure folder, full material U theming. Oh, and let's not forget, 7 years of software updates. That's longer than many laptops get supported. All this power is great on paper. But how does it actually feel to live with the S25 Ultra? Let me break it down. Multitasking? Seamless. Photo editing? Studio quality. Content creation? Vlog, edit, upload, all from one device. Productivity? Replace your laptop for 90% of tasks. Travel? Translate, navigate, snap, share, all faster than ever. It's not just specs. It's a phone that lets you do more, faster, and better. Okay, no phone is perfect. Let's talk cons. Price: this phone starts at $1,299. That's steep. Size: it's big. Not everyone likes that. Camera bump: yeah, it's huge. You'll need a case. No micro SD card slot, still. No charger in the box, Samsung. Why? But are these deal breakers? Honestly, for most power users? Nope. They're trade-offs for the absolute best in performance, display, and features. How does it stack up? iPhone 15 Pro Max? Still no 10x optical zoom. Pixel 9 Pro? Great camera, but not as versatile. OnePlus 13 Ultra? Strong competitor, but lacks Samsung's polish. Xiaomi 15 Ultra? A beast, but not available globally. Asus ROG 9? Great for gaming, but lacks versatility. In almost every category, camera, display, power, features, the S25 Ultra is either winning or tied for first place. So, who is the S25 Ultra really for? If you want white check mark emoji, the best camera system; white check mark emoji, the best screen; white check mark emoji, the best performance; white check mark emoji, productivity tools; white check mark emoji, a phone that can replace multiple gadgets; white check mark emoji, longevity with 7 years of updates, then this is your phone. It's not for the casual user who checks email and plays Candy Crush. It's for the power users, creators, photographers, gamers, and tech lovers. So, is the S25 Ultra the best phone ever? You know what? In 2025. It just might be. It's the culmination of everything Samsung has been working toward, a perfect fusion of power, intelligence, design, and innovation. It doesn't just beat the competition, it redefines what a smartphone can do. Unbelievable performance? White check mark emoji, world-class features? White check mark emoji, worth the money? If you can afford it, white check mark emoji, this is not just a smartphone. It's a technological masterpiece. So what do you think? Is the S25 Ultra your next phone? Is it really the king of smartphones in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, I want to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next epic review.